In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a carousel in Squarespace. This is a great way to showcase a series of photos, which can be particularly eye-catching for your website visitors. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace website. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so. Once you're in, click on the Get Started button. This will take you to your dashboard, which is essentially your command center for all things Squarespace. From here, it's time to locate the page where you want to add the carousel. So go ahead and click on Website and then Pages. This will display a list of all the pages that make up your site. When you find the page you have in mind, it's time to dive into the editing mode. Simply select Edit to open up that page in a more interactive editing interface. This is where the actual customization begins. Now, with the page open, you'll want to add a new section specifically for your carousel. Do this by clicking Add Section and then selecting Image. This will lead you to a selection of different layout options you can choose from, so pick the one that aligns with your site's aesthetic and functionality needs. Once you've chosen a layout, click on Edit Section. This is where you have the freedom to make further customizations to the carousel to truly make it your own. You can adjust things like spacing, the number of images, and so on. After this, click on Edit Gallery to start adding the photos that you want to display in your carousel. This is the fun part. Select images that best represent the theme or message you're trying to convey through this visual element. You might want to consider using high-quality images for a more professional look. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget the most crucial step. Click Save to apply all the changes you've made. This ensures that your new carousel is live and ready for visitors to see. Once saved, take a moment to preview the page to ensure everything functions as you expected. And there you have it. Adding a carousel to your Squarespace site is a straightforward process, but it can make a significant impact on how your website is perceived. I hope you find this guide helpful and that your new carousel brings a vibrant, dynamic touch to your site. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips on optimizing your Squarespace experience.